Hi, so this is a video I published last year on 2nd of April 2021. So in this video I talked about how I actually made of about $62 or 52 euros in 30 days from this topping app called Toloka. So Toloka is an app by Yandex. I'm sure you know what Yandex is. Yandex is one of the big companies in the world. Okay, so when it comes to Yandex, they are the same people behind the Yango app. Okay, the app you can actually use to book taxis, especially here in Zambia. So Yango or Toloka app is simply an app that rewards you to do some tasks. Okay, so when you install the app, you're going to see a list of tasks you can do and how much money you can make from them. But the only bad part about the app is that it takes time to finish those tasks, and the rewards are very small compared to what you're supposed to do. But if you got a lot of time on your hands and you really need money, it's actually a good app to try out and make some money. Okay, so this video I tried it out. This was like last year, so I'm going to try out this method again in 2022 and see how much money I'm going to make with this app. So I'm going to publish another video showing you how I actually made the money and how much I made from this app. So for you to be able to see the video once I upload it, start by subscribing to this channel and turn on all notifications. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. So you can check out this video actually, and everything's there, even like the proof of actually making the same money. It's there.
To come up with this video,
bye for now.
I made 6